Open NUVEQ Configuration app. From above, click on Scroll Down button. Select Broadcast. Search Controller. The default route are DHCP. This address is assigned to static IP. Broker address is only for server domain. Choose your controller. Click on it or type in MAC address. Click on Locate via MAC from below. You should hear beeping sound from the controller's buzzer. Press and hold window icon and R. Type CMD from Run, open command. From your command, type ipconfig. Hit Enter. Check the subnet mask and default gateway before configure IP address. Change your gateway and subnet mask accordingly. After modified, type your IP address you desired, then select Configure. From your portal, wait 2 minutes to refresh your portal. Go to Controller Status. Type your controller MAC address last 4 digits. The controller is successfully changed to static IP.